Hello, today we are discussing some puzzles which are necessary for the examinations. Next slide will go. This is the first puzzle. They say that A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting in a row facing north. North means up. This is right, this is left. Okay. F is to the immediate right of E. E's immediate right is F. Okay. E is fourth to the right of G. E is fourth to right of G. Fourth to right of G. See, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. G's fourth right is E. Okay. C is neighbor of B and D. C is neighbor of B and D. Person who is third to left of D is one at the ends. See, D is here. D's third left is one of the end. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. C comes here. B comes here, and remaining one is A. A will come here. All are facing north direction. Okay. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. See, the question is here: how many people are there to the right of D? Right of D is 1, 2, 3 people are there. How much? 3 people are there. And in next, who are to the left of C? Left of C, who are there? G and B. C is the correct answer. G and B. Next, how many people are there exactly between B and D? Exactly between B and D is only one. That is C. 1. And how many people are there? How many people are there to the left of C? The left of C, 2 people are there. 2 people are there. And what is the position of D? Position of D, they asked. Between B and A, no. Between E and A, no. Between G and C, no. Between C and E, C. Between C and E is the position of D. Correct option is this. Okay. This is first question. We'll move to the next question. Please subscribe, share and like. Next is, there are 5 girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed facing north direction. This is also north direction. Right, left. Seema is to the left of Rani. See, Seema is to the, this is Rani, right, left. Seema is to the left of Rani. This is Seema. And right to the Bindu. Bindu right. Bindu's right, right, left and right, left. Okay. Mary is to the right of Rani. Here is Mary. Here is Mary. And this is important. Rita is between Rani and Mary. Here comes Rita. Rita. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls. This is the correct arrangement of given question. We'll see the questions. Who is second from the right? See, this is left end. This is right end. Okay. They asked who is second from the right. 1, 2. Rita is the second from the right. This is correct. E. Next, who is in the middle of the photography? See, these all are taking the photography. Who is in the middle of the photography? Here 2, here 2. Remaining middle is Rani. Rani is the middle of photography. That is B. Okay. We will move to the next question. This is third question. They said that P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting in a row facing north. This is also north. Right, left. P is fourth to the right of T. P is fourth to the right of T. T is fourth right. This P. 1, 2, 3, 4. P. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. W is fourth to the left of S. Fourth left of S is W. Okay. R and U, which are not at the ends, are neighbors of Q and T. R is neighbor of Q. See, they are written respectively. Means R is neighbor of Q. U is the neighbor of T. Okay. U is neighbor of T. W is immediate left of P. See, W is immediate left of P. And Q is neighbor of P. Q is neighbor of P. See, they are told that R and Q are neighbors. See, another is S's fourth left is W. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. S will come here. S's fourth left is W. Q neighbor is R. And here U, and remaining one is C. T over U over W over V is remaining. Okay, we'll keep V here. All are facing north. Okay, right left, right left, right left, right left, right left. Okay, this is the correct arrangement of the given question. In question, who is in the middle of T and V? See, this is T, this is V. Who is there? U. U is the correct answer. This is the answer for the given question. Okay. Thank you for the listening. I request you to subscribe, share and like to your friends. We will continue bringing new videos. Thank you.